Let's look at how to personalize your orders grid. To hide a column on the orders grid, click the Kebab menu, that's the menu with the 3 dots, in the column header. Select Hide Column to hide the column. Show or hide multiple columns by selecting Manage Columns. Then, check or uncheck the columns to show or hide them. When working on a desktop, you can reorder columns by clicking and dragging the columns into the order you wish for them to appear on the orders grid. Pin columns to the left or right of the orders grid so that, as you scroll, the pinned columns remain visible. You can pin multiple columns if needed. Most columns on the orders grid can be sorted by clicking the column heading you wish to sort the orders by. Clicking multiple times alternates between ascending order, descending order, and unsorted. You can also collapse and expand the Postsale left side menu to view more of the orders grid when needed. You can reset the orders grid to its original layout. Go to Settings, Account Settings, and click Reset Orders Grid. Confirm that you wish to reset the grid. Want more Postsale quick tips? Be sure to subscribe to the Postsale YouTube channel and to check out the Postsale blog.